Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the budget beast that has been making waves lately, the Sofirn SC33. Picked this up on the AliExpress for just 30 euros. Shipping was surprisingly fast. It took only a week and a half to arrive right here at Haifa, Israel. And the best part, it came straight through customs with zero issues. No extra taxes, completely duty-free because it falls well below the tax threshold. In Israel it's below $75. And this light came for the 30 euros, shipped to your door this quickly. It already sounds like a massive win. Let's get this open and see exactly what Sofirn includes for the 30 euros. Sofirn usually use simple, eco-friendly cardboard packaging to save money, keeping the focus entirely on the product itself. First, of course, we have the notice label. Also, inside we have the Sofirn SC33 itself. It feels incredibly solid right out of the box. Inside the flashlight, you will find a massive high-capacity 5000 mAh 21700 lithium-ion battery. Now a quick pro tip: when you first get it, make sure to unscrew the tail cap and remove this little plastic insulation disc. It's there for shipping safety, and the light won't turn on until you take it out. User manual, switching between stepped and smooth ramping modes, toggling the electronic lockout. Two spare rubber O-rings for maintaining the flashlight IPX8 waterproof rating over the time. You also get a basic black lanyard wrist strap to help secure on the light to your wrist, so you don't accidentally drop it during outdoor activities. It's making use this light more convenient, but nevertheless size is good and quite comfortable to hold. Next up we have a standard USB Type A to Type C charging cable, and also the socket which is plugged in by the rubber. It's not very long, but it's high quality enough to fast charge this massive battery. Let's unscrew the tail cap to see how this light is built. The threads are smooth and well lubricated, and there in stick rubber O-ring there's waterproofing. As you can see, the flashlight splits in two main sections: the battery tube with a tactical tail switch assembly and the heavy-duty head section containing the driver. The springs on both ends are thick and gold. Inside we have this massive high-capacity 5000 mAh battery, this top-tier tail that provides excellent runtime and handles high drain demands easily. Flashlight has two main sections: electrical connection and shock resistance. Let's get a close-up look at the business of the light. Deep inside the smooth, clean reflector sits the Cree XHP70.3 LED. The power button is very high level build quality, very comfortable to press. In terms of ergonomics, this thing feels great in the hand. It has a nice aggressive knurling that prevents it from slipping, and a solid pocket clip. The E-switch is on the tail, which gives it very tactical feel. Now let's compare its size to a couple of other popular lights. First it's next to the Emerald MS03. As you can see, the MS03 is shorter but significantly thicker and chumpier because of the massive head. The SC33 feels much more streamlined and pocketable for daily carry. Next let's put it next to the Nightcore EDC 7. The Nightcore is completely flat, ultra thin, and feels like a futuristic smartphone accessory. The Sofirn is traditional cylindrical tube light. It's thicker than a Nightcore, but it gives you a much better, more secure grip and a way bigger battery. For 30 euros, it completely destroys most big brand flashlights that cost twice as much. Super bright EDC tactical flashlight. As for the modes, you have two UI options. You can use a standard stepped mode, low, medium, high, turbo, or switch it to smooth ramping mode where you can customize the exact brightness you want. It also has an auto lockout feature to prevent it from accidentally burning a hole in your pocket or during transporting this light in the trunk of your car. It runs on the massive 5000 battery, which gives you excellent runtime compared to the smaller 18650 or built-in flat batteries for charging. On the face of the box we see the 5 modes like low, mid, high and turbo. Okay, we start from the low mode to test this flashlight. First one will be lowest. Next level. Okay, next. Okay, next. Quite good. It's quite bright. Okay, next one will be turbo mode. Maximum. Okay, we will check it will reach distance to this building. I think yes.